Today, we'll see a use case of Smart Plug for water irrigation systems. It is very useful when you want to travel, but your parents are more concerned about the plants at home. It's a smart plug from Zebronics. The model number is SPE110. It's a very simple plug-and-play device. All you have to do is plug it, install an app on mobile by scanning the QR code. Once installed, open the app and search for your model and connect it. The instructions are pretty simple. There are tons of videos on how to connect to a smart plug. It's a very sturdy and good quality product you can buy on Amazon India at ₹649. We'll need a submersible water pump in a bucket. We've used a desert cooler water pump. Connect the pump to the smart plug. Set up the pipes with holes over plants as needed and use the app to start and stop the motor. You can also use the scheduler, but the minimum time for the schedule is 1 minute. I have fewer plants, so I only need the pump to run for 5 seconds. So I'll do it manually using app. The switch turns off automatically if there is a power cut and does not auto-start when power is on. This makes it very useful in areas where power cut issues are common. Connection to Wi-Fi is super fast, and as long as plug is connected to Wi-Fi, you can access it from anywhere in the world using Zebronics app, Google Assistant, or Alexa. That's it for this video. Hope this was helpful. Thanks for watching.